Hey, Katrina here from Scrappy Horses. Thanks for coming by today. I'm so happy you're here. Today, I am a guest over at the Outlaws Sunday Songs and Rhymes. And if you've not played here before, how it works is they choose a song or a rhyme, and you see how you're inspired by it and create. And this month, it's a really sweet little fall themed poem, and I chose to go with the part about school days and how we're all back in school now. Let's take a look at my project. I'm starting out with my materials, and I have a little wooden button with a heart and some blue embroidery thread, some pieces that I have copied from the Decosse's Dynamite Doodle Touch of Class kit. I have my little Digi from All Dressed Up, and I have a card blank. So I'm going to get started here with a little yellow piece that I have cut into a rectangle, and I have chosen some stamps from Close to My Heart. I believe they were Save the Date maybe, or something like that, or something the date. Anyway, it's long retired. Well used set. I really like it. I chose to go with this color, and it's a Close to My Heart color, also retired. And I'm just stamping the numbers in. And I realize I probably should have started my 1 at the bottom and gone up, but that's okay. Now I'm coming in with another stamp. And you know what? It doesn't even really matter what it says or what it is. It's just a word, and I'm stamping it all over. I'm just doing that to give it texture. And now I'm going to choose another word and go with that one. Again, just to give it some interest. Now I'm scruffing my piece around on my stamp pad. Again, just to add interest, but I'm keeping it all within the same color family. This piece of cardstock that you're seeing, this designer paper, I designed myself, especially for this card, and that's why it looks wonky, and there are pieces on top of others and in some places and not in others. I designed it in Canva, and I would love to share with you how I did that, but I am really not that experienced yet. So I'm going to list below someone who does do tutorials in Canva in case you want to check her out. And her name is Sandy, and she is wonderful. You will love her videos. All right, back to this card. So anyway, I'm tying this little button onto this yellow piece of cardstock, and I've already adhered my other pieces onto the card front. I'm going to go ahead and adhere the yellow piece, and now I'm going to scruff up just a little bit my focal image. Not much scruffing going on, just a tiny bit. I'm going to go ahead and adhere her to the card underneath that button, and you know what? Once I tie the bow, this card is done. Hey, thanks for joining me. Please drop by the Outlaws Sunday Songs and Rhymes Challenge and share something sort of fall themed, something you're inspired by from the poem. All right, have a great week, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye.